Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's the first of the month and it's time to share our new subscription products for October 2022. I'm so excited to share the new stamp of the month with you along with the new Crafty Courtyard Kit. So let's jump right in. I hope you love them as much as we do. This is our stamp and die of the month. Look at those adorable marshmallows. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month for $12 with free shipping within the US, you're going to get 4x6 stamp set delivered every month around the 10th. And for October, we've got these adorable marshmallows. Aren't they cute? Life is s'more fun with you. I love you s'more. Hope your birthday is s'more than you imagined. I couldn't be s'more grateful. So we've got this stack here of s'mores. We've got a marshmallow playing in the leaves. We've got one with a little flower. And we've got two here that you can put in front of the fire if you want. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month for $24 with free shipping within the US, you will get the 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies. And I'll just show you the stamp set a little closer up. I've colored them in. I've made them a little toasty. I think they're just so sweet. So this is our stamp and die of the month for October. Now let's take a look at the Crafty Courtyard Kit. You can see this month. Here's the postcard. It says, "Thank you, you're a blessing to me." On the back of the postcard, we've got the theme of the kit, everything that's included, along with the color palette, and information where you can join our Facebook group to share your creations that you make with the kit. Our Crafty Courtyard Kit is a separate subscription from the stamp and die of the month, and they're completely different. You will not get the same stamp set as you get with the stamp and die of the month. Here is the exclusive sequin mix. We've got some really pretty flowers in there and some iridescent sequins. We've got our 4 envelope seals or stickers that you can make with cards with, whatever you like. We've got glitter enamel dots in all the colors that match the kit. They're so pretty and sparkly. You're gonna get a full 6x6 paper pad. That is 24 double-sided sheets. You've got 24 patterns here. So with them being double-sided, you get 2 of each design. We've got some fun plaids, polka dots. We've got some rainbows in there. We've got some watercolor backgrounds. Super fun paper pack to design with. You're gonna get an exclusive 6x6 stamp set. This is a large one. We've got really big, bold thank you in the shape of a heart. So we have the negative part that just does like the outline of it, and then you have the thank you. So you can stamp them together or you can use them separately. We've got some smaller hearts and we have some great sentiments. It says, "When I count my blessings, I count you twice. Each day spent with you is a blessing. You are simply amazing. You've been so kind. For blessing me with such a special gift. I couldn't have done it without you. You've always been there for me. For everything, for being you, for your generosity. I appreciate you more than you know. You're a blessing to me. You mean so much to me from the bottom of my heart." So some of these you can use independently, and then some of them you use with the thank you stamp. It's a really fun set. You are also going to get the coordinating die. So it'll cut out just a plain heart along with the smaller ones. And it also will cut out the words thank you in the shape of a heart. You're going to get a 6x6 embossing folder. And isn't this one cool? It's like little pyramids of polka dots. And they gradually get smaller as they go down. Really fun background for your cards. You're also going to get a 6x6 stencil. You pick it up with the paper here so you can see it a little better. It's like a Swiss dot polka dot background. I love polka dots. So being able to create your own polka dot background, that is just awesome. If that's not enough, we are still not done. You are going to get 6 sheets of our colored 100-pound cardstock and 2 sheets of our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock. So we've got the 2 white, the purple, which is night sky. This lovely lime green is called the park. This gorgeous, like turquoise blue. It's called River Walk. We've got a nice tan. So you've got a neutral in there. It's called Pebble. This bright pink is called Dress Shop. And then our lighter pink is called Salon. And if you ever wonder about the color names, I try to think of all our color names with something that is in a town or a city, because pink and Maine is like crossroads. So I just think it makes sense, just kind of a cute play on things to think of colors of things that are in a city. And of course, you're going to get your zippered mesh project bag. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our new subscription products for October 2022. We really do hope you love these products as much as we do. We appreciate each and every one of our subscribers so much. From the bottom of our heart, we thank you for being a subscriber. We truly enjoy putting these kits together for you each month and packing up those stamp of the months. We feel like we really pack a good value in our kits. We like to give you lots of products that are going to last you a good long time. So until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.